SlowCast English, Episode 8, Learning English.
Why do you like learning English?
It opens the world to me.
In what way?
I can watch videos and listen to podcasts.
Like this one?
Yes, slow podcasts help a lot.
Do you feel nervous when speaking?
Sometimes. But I try anyway.
That's brave.
I speak slowly and clearly.
Slow speaking is good speaking.
Yes, I don't rush myself.
Introduction to this podcast. Benefits of learning English. A conversation explores why learning English is valuable, highlighting access to global content like videos and podcasts. One speaker finds slow podcasts especially helpful, admits to sometimes feeling nervous when speaking, but overcomes it by speaking slowly and clearly, emphasizing that slow communication is effective.
See you next episode.